Hey, what's going on, guys? And today we are going to be making a wooden Captain America's Wakandan shield. So I have the piece of wood here, and I have the design laid out here. It's not going to be the best. Don't be expecting something amazing, but it's going to be alright. So let's get into it. First thing I'm going to do is cut this out. Alright, so I've got the initial shape of the shield cut out here. It might be a little rough outline. I don't know if you can see that. It's a good shot. But yeah, now what I have to do is plane down the edges here. They're nice, straight. And then I will sand it and get back to you. Alright, so I've got the main part of the shield sanded, and it's looking pretty good right now. Now all that's left to do is paint it, put some handles on there, and then we'll have it done. Okay, so one thing that I did not tell you and I did not film is once you get the shield's shape, what I did was I printed off a picture of Captain America's Wakanda shield, and then I printed it out, and as you see I traced the lines onto the shield, and then I started using a chisel. But one thing that I found is that you probably don't want to use a chisel because it's not good going across the grain. What you will want to end up using is a Dremel. That's what I used, and it worked pretty well. And then I painted it, as you can see. It's all painted. And then I just have to paint the silver like there, and then these two little divots there. Yeah, and then once I was done with that, I got some pieces of spare cloth that I had laying around. It's just some camo cloth. And I cut out some handles. So now what I'm going to do is drill out the holes for those and put them in, and I'll come back to you once I am ready. Alright, so I just finished putting the handles on the Captain America shield. As you can see, it doesn't look too bad. Now all I have to do is put the silver paint on there, and it will be all finished. Alright, so I'm now finished with the Captain America Wakandan shield. It looks alright. It's just made out of wood. It doesn't extend at all, but it's pretty cool. What I did was just paint it, cut out some grooves. I guess that's it. Bye!